Tonight's lesson, Everyday Math 10.2, is on pan balance problems with two pans. So using information from one pan to help get information on the second one. So if we take a look at this problem here on this page, you can see that on one side here we have a protractor. On the other side you have 31 paper clips. So right here we can see that this protractor weighs the same as 31 paper clips, and so our goal is to figure out how much does the protractor weigh in terms of paper clips and how much does the ruler weigh in terms of paper clips. So right away we know we've got this one figured out. So I'm just going to write on the bottom here. I use the red. So I can say, let's make a copy, actually let's make a copy of this. And just put it down here. And we'll say that that one protractor is equal to 31 clips. And now we're going to try to figure out, well, what is the ruler equal? Okay, so what we've done is in the first pan balance, the information is already given to you. And so now we're just going to use that to solve the second part. So what is the value of the ruler? So right here we could say this is the same thing as, I'm just going to cross that out and say this is the same thing as 31 clips. So if that's true, we know we have to keep the pan balanced. Let's use color green this time. Let's cross out this 31 clips, or in other words the protractor, and then cross out 31 of these 70, which is going to leave me with 39 paper clips. So we can figure out from the first balance that the ruler is equal to 39 clips. Okay, so one more problem here with the double pan. So we look at what information can we get from the first pan balance. Let's see if I can get my pen working. There we go. All right, so if I look down here, what's my goal? My objective is to figure out how much does one pen weigh in terms of paper clips and how much does one compass weigh in terms of paper clips. So we look up here, looking at the first one, and if I grab some red there. So I know I've got two here. So if I take out one of these pens, so cross out one of those pens, I know that it would have to be, so I took away half of what was in this pan, so I've got to take away half of this one. So if I do that, I take out 10, so I'm left with 1. So one pen then is equal to 10 paper clips. So using that information, let's figure out the second one. Let's figure out the weight of the compass. So if I look over here, I know that this pen is the same as 10 paper clips. So these things together right here are equal to 52 paper clips. Well, let's get rid of one compass on each side because that keeps us in balance. So now I'm left with this one compass equal to 52 paper clips. All right, so I'm just going to click over to the next slide. And for your homework tonight, let's see if we get there. There we go. For your homework tonight, you're going to create one double pan balance problem and solve it.